Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a new home in Google Home. Now, creating a new home in the Google Home app allows you to manage devices across multiple locations, such as a second residence, office, or vacation property. Now, let's walk you through the process of setting up a new home in your Google Home app. The first thing to do is to unlock your Android or iOS device, locate and tap the Google Home app icon to launch it. Now tap on the favorites button, which is at the bottom of the screen, and at the top of the screen you're going to see the current home name, so go ahead and tap on it to open the home selector. Now you have my home, setup, home and away. This is setup, home and away, so you can just go ahead and click on setup and set this up if you want to set home and away. But this is literally not what we are looking for here, right? But once you set that up and you set this up and that's fully set up, then you're definitely going to find the option for you to add another home. But in case you don't find that there, you can just head over to devices and click on devices. You can select add or add devices and select any of the options here, and you see this choose a home option. Now on the choose a home, you can select add another home, and once you select add another home, click on next, and you'll be taken through a set of instructions to add your home. Like here, you need to add the nickname for your new home. For example, it could be Lake House. So optionally enter the address for location-based services, and once you're done filling out the details of your home, click on next to proceed. Now, after creating the new home, you'll be prompted to add devices. So just follow the on-screen instructions to set up new devices or move existing ones. To switch between your homes, just open the Google Home app, tap on the favorites tab, and once you tap on the favorite tab, which we have here at the bottom, go ahead and tap on your current home name, and you see the multiple homes that you select that you have created. So just go ahead and select the home that you want to manage from the list. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.